constant bloating, low energy, even mood swings. Did you know all of these could stem from a single source? Your gut. The vast majority of your body's immune cells live there, and a huge portion of serotonin, the neurotransmitter that sends happiness signals to your brain, is produced right there as well. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 food groups that genuinely transform your gut health. And the third one completely reverses a habit that most people think is healthy, but actually harms the gut. Let's get started. Trillions of bacteria live in your gut, creating an ecosystem called the microbiome. The problem is modern dietary habits constantly throw this ecosystem out of balance. 3 things trigger this. First, processed foods and sugar. These make it easy for bad bacteria to multiply and reduce overall diversity. Second, a lack of fiber. Most people eat way below the recommended daily intake, and without fiber, the good bacteria are left starving. Third, a lack of variety. Constantly eating the same few foods leads to a shrinking microbiome. The less diversity there is, the more fragile your gut becomes. The result? Bloating, irregular digestion, low energy, and even a weakened immune system. Now let me show you how to reverse this. The solution is to send 3 different nutrient signals to your gut: probiotics, prebiotics, and diversity. I'll explain these 3 categories one by one. These aren't trendy diet fads, they are food groups that have been repeatedly tested and proven effective in nutritional science research. Insight number 1. Fermented foods introduce live, beneficial bacteria to your gut. Foods like yogurt, kefir, fermented cabbage, sauerkraut, and kombucha directly add good bacteria to your microbiome. Practical tip: adding just 1 serving of fermented food a day can make a difference. For example, adding a bowl of kefir or yogurt to your breakfast is an easy and sustainable way to start. Insight number 2. Probiotics alone aren't enough. You need to feed them. Special types of fiber called prebiotics are found in onions, garlic, green bananas, oats, and legumes. These foods pass through undigested until they reach your gut, where they become the fuel for good bacteria. In other words, combining probiotic foods with prebiotics ensures that the bacteria not only arrive, but also multiply and stay for the long term. Insight number 3, which most people are completely unaware of: microbiome diversity matters much more than any single superfood. Research shows that people who consume close to 30 different types of plant-based foods a week, vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, spices, have a much richer and more resilient microbiome. This number might sound high, but spices, herbal teas, and different vegetables all count. The goal isn't to eat perfectly, but to make your plate as colorful as possible. To recap, add a daily serving of fermented food, support it with prebiotic fibers, and diversify your plate as much as possible. You don't need to do everything perfectly today. Just make 1 change this week, like adding kefir to your breakfast, and pay attention to how you feel after a week. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comments which food you're going to add to your plate this week. I really do read them and reply. Don't forget to watch my other videos too. I share science-based, actionable health content on this channel every week. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.